Who wouldn't want chicken wings?
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, 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 no.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is the first time you're here, I'm Tara, a nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes and tips and tricks so you can make restaurant quality food at home. Today, it's all about chicken wings. We're continuing our Traeger grill series and we're gonna make smoked chicken wings. Missed any of the other episodes, they will be linked in the description box below. First, we made a beef chuck roast. Then we made a ham. Oh my goodness, it was so good. And last week, we made smoked tofu. Guys, you are absolutely gonna love these chicken wings. So quick to make, super flavorful. Be sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. I know you guys love those recipe cards. There's a recipe card at the end you could take a screenshot of for easy reference. If you guys are excited about smoked chicken wings, give this video a big thumbs up and let's go inside and make this delicious dry rub. We're gonna grab a mixing bowl. These are from Priority Chef, and I've gotta say I love them because they're non-slip on the bottom and they come in all the perfect sizes. So we're gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, you could also use smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, and give everything a whisk. It's as easy as that. Then we're gonna grab our chicken wings. I got these from the Butcher Box. I love the Butcher Box. I've been using them since COVID started, really. And I like to remove this thick pieces of skin from all of the chicken wings. You don't have to do this, but I like to do this. Then you're gonna make sure you dry them really thoroughly and set them inside of a mixing bowl. And then a great hack is to add some cornstarch. I'm telling you guys, this really dries out the skin and helps to crisp it up when it's in the smoker. Then we're gonna add the dry rub. I like to add it in 2 to 3 batches just to make sure everything is evenly incorporated. And once everything is mixed really well, we're gonna grab a cookie sheet and a wire rack and we're gonna add all of our chicken wings on top. And we're gonna place it in the fridge. Now we're gonna go to the Traeger app and we're going to set the grill temperature to 250 degrees. I actually made something right before cooking these chicken wings, so my grill was already hot. So I'm setting the timer, that way I'll know to come out. But of course, if you're starting from scratch, you don't have to do that. Then we're gonna grab our chicken wings out of the fridge. Putting them in the fridge really helps to dry the skin out. Guys, trust me, don't skip this step. Our grill is now 250 degrees, so it's time to get these wings on the grill. I love my Traeger. Another really important thing to do is always check your pellets and make sure you've got enough. Perfect. We're using apple pellets today. We're just gonna add the chicken to the grill, and once all of them are on, just close the lid. We're gonna set the timer for 1 hour. In the meantime, let's go inside and make this seriously delicious glaze. In a small saucepan heating up on the stove, we're gonna add some red chili paste. Then we're gonna add some water, along with some rice vinegar, this is unseasoned, and some oyster sauce, a key ingredient in this delicious sauce. I'm gonna add some Kaffir Lime Leaves. If you don't have these, you could also just use lime zest, along with some sugar. I like to press in fresh garlic. Alternatively, you could use garlic powder. And then we're gonna add in the juice of half of a lime. This really helps to brighten the sauce. It's so good. It's been an hour and we are ready to apply the glaze and flip the wings over. I'm also gonna check the temperature just to see where we're at. Look at this delicious glaze. And look at this. Of course, I'm drinking a delicious dry red. Why wouldn't I? Okay, come on. I'm gonna apply glaze to only a few of the wings because my husband doesn't like his wings with sauce. After I've applied a layer of the glaze, I'm gonna flip the unglazed wings over, and then I'm gonna flip mine over and apply another layer of that delicious glaze. Then we're gonna close the lid and we're gonna set the temperature of the grill. I'm actually setting it to 450 degrees. I don't recommend doing this. I recommend setting it to 375 degrees because a few of my wings did burn, and I'm setting a timer for 8 minutes. Then we're gonna open up the lid. I like to add a little bit of avocado oil spray to the unglazed ones. I really feel like it helps to crisp them up even more. And I'm applying as much glaze as I can to mine because it's so good. And I love how caramelized it gets. Then flip all of the wings over. Then we're gonna check the temperature. Make sure it's at least 165 degrees. Then we're gonna grab them off of the grill. I'm keeping them separate because again, my husband does not like any kind of sauce on his wings. So I've got his wings and I've got my wings. We're gonna go inside now. I'm gonna let the chicken wings rest for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna apply one more glaze to mine and then I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Whether you want to put this Thai-inspired glaze on, which I highly recommend, or simply leave them unsauced, guys, you have got to try this recipe. Looking for more smoker recipes or just delicious, easy dinners? Click a playlist on the screen and I will see you over there. Bye, guys.